When did you celebrate with family, friends, or give yourself a break? It's essential to make time for family and friends and prioritize these relationships. No matter how busy life gets, we should always remember to take a break and spend time with the people who matter most to us. This can have a positive impact on our mental health and overall happiness. And remember, every day is a holiday. Hello, I am Victor. Today we're going to talk about the holidays on March 25th. Walk in the Sand Day. Walk in the Sand Day is celebrated every year on the Saturday after the March equinox. This year, it takes place on March 25th. As the name suggests, this holiday encourages people to take a walk on the beach and enjoy the feel of the sand beneath their feet. Walking in the sand can be a relaxing and enjoyable experience, as the sensation of the sand and the sound of the waves can have a calming effect on the mind and body. It can also be a good form of exercise, as walking on sand requires more effort than walking on a solid surface, which can help to strengthen muscles and improve cardiovascular health. In addition to walking, people may also choose to engage in other activities on the beach, such as swimming, sunbathing, building sandcastles, or playing beach volleyball. The holiday is a reminder to take some time out of our busy lives to relax and enjoy the simple pleasures of nature. International Waffle Day. International Waffle Day is a holiday that celebrates waffles, a delicious food that is enjoyed in many countries around the world. The holiday is observed on March 25th each year. Waffles are a type of baked pastry that are typically made from a batter that is cooked in a waffle iron, resulting in a unique pattern of ridges and squares. They can be served with a variety of toppings, such as syrup, whipped cream, fruit, chocolate, or ice cream. The origins of International Waffle Day are somewhat unclear, but it is believed to have originated in Sweden in the 1990s as a way to celebrate the Vaffeldagen holiday, which translates to Waffle Day in Swedish. The holiday has since spread to other countries around the world, where people celebrate by eating waffles and sharing recipes. This is a day to celebrate the power of happiness and well-being as important factors in promoting peace and sustainable development around the world. National Medal of Honor Day. National Medal of Honor Day is a holiday observed on March 25th of each year in the United States. The holiday commemorates the highest military honor that can be awarded to members of the U.S. Armed Forces, the Medal of Honor. The Medal of Honor was first authorized by Congress in 1861 during the Civil War, and since then, it has been awarded to over 3,500 members of the U.S. military for their acts of valor and bravery in combat. Recipients of the Medal of Honor are recognized for their selflessness, courage, and sacrifice in service to their country. On National Medal of Honor Day, Americans honor the recipients of the Medal of Honor and remember the sacrifices they have made to defend freedom and protect the nation. The day is also an opportunity to recognize the service and sacrifice of all members of the U.S. military, including those who have made the ultimate sacrifice in service to their country. Various events and ceremonies are held throughout the United States on National Medal of Honor Day to recognize and honor recipients of the Medal of Honor, including wreath-laying ceremonies, flag-raising ceremonies, and public speeches. The holiday serves as a reminder of the importance of military service and the sacrifices made by those who serve in the U.S. Armed Forces. Feast of the Annunciation. The Feast of the Annunciation is a Christian holiday observed on March 25th each year. It commemorates the announcement of the angel Gabriel to the Virgin Mary that she had been chosen to bear the Son of God, Jesus Christ. According to Christian tradition, the Annunciation occurred when the angel Gabriel appeared to Mary in Nazareth and told her that she would conceive and bear a son, who would be called Jesus and would be the Savior of the world. Bed-In for Peace Day. Bed-In for Peace Day is celebrated on March 25th each year, observance that encourages people to take a day off from their busy lives and spend some time in bed, reflecting on the importance of peace in our world. The day is inspired by the famous bed-ins for peace held by John Lennon and Yoko Ono in 1969 as a form of protest against the Vietnam War. On this day, people are encouraged to stay in bed for as long as they want, and to use this time to think about what they can do to promote peace in their communities and around the world. Some people may choose to spend the day meditating, reading, or writing about peace, while others may use the time to connect with loved ones and have important conversations about the need for peaceful coexistence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you had a great time.